Good day, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to it if you haven't been here yet. This is my 2024 Lowrider ST, and today I'm going to be testing out this new DJI Mic 2 with my DJI Osmo Action 5. I'm just going to kind of see how it does for me, how the mic is, and adjust from there. I'll probably document as I go and see how this mic does. So hopefully I'm not going to get too much wind noise or anything like that. I know I'll probably have to fine tune it a little bit. But yeah, here's a quick look at my bike and what I'll be on. So this is the 2024 in Vivid Black. I have done a good amount of modifications to it so far. I will do a video showing all the things that I've done, but here's just a quick look. So just real quick, I've done exhaust, foot pegs, crash bars, front and back seat, bars, different grips, different bars, different risers, pullback plate, a couple thrashing parts with the shifter, the shortened shifter peg. But yeah, so we're just gonna hop on this thing, go around and test out this new mic that I got. All right, enjoy. We are back. We're on the road now, giving this DJI Mic 2 the test, hoping that there's not too much wind noise. Right now I have it set at -10 gain, I believe. I have noise reduction off and low cut on. So yeah, we'll see how these settings do and go from there. I might have to mess with the gain a little bit and take it up or down depending on how it sounds. Hopefully it's not cutting out too much. This is also with only one of the mics, so the DJI Mic 2 comes with 2 mics. So I think at some point I'm going to try putting one somewhere else on the bike so you can hear more of the exhaust and sounds around me without too much wind, and then you can hear my voice as well with this one mounted inside my helmet. I just glued the magnet inside my helmet and it clips right onto there, so that's super easy. This is my second video. Video is pretty new to me. For those of you that don't know me, I do have a background in photography, but video has always been a little intimidating, so just kind of trying it out, putting myself out there and seeing how it goes, and try to learn these new softwares and how these cameras work. Right now on my chin I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And on the handlebars right here, I've got a GoPro Hero 11 Mini. So far, I do like the DJI a lot more. I've had the GoPro overheat on me a couple times already. I know they're kind of known for that. But it should be pretty good as a little B cam. Just going on a quick cruise around here. I'm in Central Virginia near Richmond. Just giving this new equipment a little bit of a test and seeing how it does. So I hope it works out well and sounds good for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything specific, any specific reviews on any of the parts on this bike or camera gear. I'm a little knowledgeable. I'm not an expert on the camera gear, but I'm happy to talk about it so you guys can figure it out with me if you're going to be doing motovlog videos or anything like this. rain here soon. I'm hoping it holds out a little bit longer. But it has been a warm day. This is one of the first days that actually felt like summer in the 80s. So not too bad. With this little storm coming through, though, temperatures are starting to drop a little and it's feeling good. Is that corn? We got some corn popping up. Back to the bike. This is my 24 Harley Lowrider ST. I got it a little over a year ago. I've only actually been riding for a few years, but this is my second Harley. I started out on a Sportster 48, and I had that for a little over a year, and it was fun. It was light, easy to get around, but I wanted a little bit more power. I wanted a 6th gear, a little bit of wind protection, and as soon as I started seeing these lowriders, I knew that this is what I was going to work up to. I just absolutely love the look. It's almost that old Dyna look, but with this fairing on the ST, I really dig it. It's really cool. A few thousand miles on it, and try to get out after work when I can, and do some shorter trips around. Absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite things to do, is get out here and go on little loops around town. The feds. Have much to complain about when it comes to this bike. I mean, I'm really happy with it overall. I am a shorter dude, so it does fit my size pretty well. I know taller people feel a little more cramped on it, but I'm a shorty, so it works well for me. I do have these cross-thread mini floorboards on here. Those are really nice. And I did put the Thrashin 1-inch shorter shifter arm down there. Just puts it in the right place on my foot too. Kind of wish I had started doing these videos a little sooner though, because I've already done a bunch of the bike. I could have made some videos on that stuff, but doesn't mean I can't still go over it. There's still plenty to do. Oh, I love those bumps. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for ideas on different videos that I can do, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm happy to start taking suggestions and doing different videos. Maybe do some bike walk-arounds, go over some different parts on the bike. Also, if you have one of these DJI mics, that's the mic too, then please let me know what settings you have yours on so I can get mine right. What's up, bruh? No wave, dude. No wave. Oh no, we got a dump truck. These guys always be throwing rocks at me. I don't know if you all have had as many windshields as I have fall victim to the dump trucks. But I definitely have DTSD from these guys. Another little roundabout. I'm gonna go. Come on, brother. Moped boy, I'll give you a wave. You don't wave back. It's okay, man. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that the audio turned out well. This is still basically just a test video for me. I'm gonna try to really dial everything in. But if you got any suggestions, again, please let me know. That's gonna be about it for me today, guys. Thank you for checking in and watching my video. Hopefully plenty more to come. Hopefully the audio sounded pretty good. I'm gonna keep making videos trying to dial it in, so this is still just a little test for me, but happy to get out here and enjoy a nice ride, and might as well film it while I'm at it, you know. But I'm about to stop and see my girlfriend at work, so I'm gonna cut the video out here. I hope you all have a great day.